Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to understand the most in-demand DevOps skills, like Python, Docker, Terraform, and data tools like Apache Hadoop. I will explain what they actually do in real companies with practical examples, so by the end, you'll clearly understand how to become job-ready. First, let's understand DevOps. DevOps is all about making software development and operations faster, smoother, and automated. Earlier, developers and operations teams worked separately, which caused delays and errors. Now with DevOps, everything is connected and automated. For example, when a developer writes code, it can automatically go live if something breaks. Alerts are generated instantly, updates happen without stopping the application. So overall, DevOps saves time and reduces manual work. Role of Python, automation. Now let's talk about Python. In DevOps, Python is mainly used for automation. Instead of doing repetitive tasks manually, we write small scripts. For example, automatically creating 10 servers instead of doing it one by one, taking daily backups without manual effort, monitoring CPU, memory, and sending alerts, calling cloud APIs to manage resources, cleaning log files, and generating reports. So Python acts like your assistant. It does boring, repetitive work for you. Docker, containerization. Docker helps you package your application so it runs anywhere without issues. Examples: running the same app on developer and production systems, packaging app with all dependencies, deploying applications quickly, avoiding version conflicts, running multiple apps on one server. This solves the common problem. It works on my machine but not in production. Terraform, creating infrastructure with code. Now let's talk about Terraform. Terraform is used to create cloud infrastructure using code. Instead of manually clicking in AWS or Azure, you write code. For example, create servers, automatically set up networks and firewalls, launch full environments like dev, test, production, reuse the same setup, multiple timescale infrastructure easily. So Terraform makes infrastructure setup fast, consistent, and error-free. Now let's understand Hadoop and Hive in a simple way. Hadoop is mainly used to store and process very large amounts of data, especially when normal databases cannot handle it. It works by distributing data across multiple servers. On top of Hadoop, we have Hive. Hive allows us to write simple SQL queries to analyze this large data. For example, companies use Hadoop and Hive for analyzing customer data, generating reports, understanding user behavior, and making business decisions. So in short, Hadoop stores big data, and Hive helps us analyze it easily. Cassandra, fast data storage. Next is Cassandra, a NoSQL database. It is used for applications that need high speed and large-scale data handling. For example, chat applications storing messages, real-time analytics systems, user activity tracking, high-traffic apps like e-commerce systems where downtime is not acceptable. Cassandra ensures data is always available, even if some servers fail. How everything works together. Now let's connect everything. In a real company, Python automates tasks, Docker runs applications, Terraform creates infrastructure, Hadoop processes large data, Hive analyzes data, Cassandra stores fast-moving data. So all these tools work together to build and run modern applications. Now let's understand why companies are looking for these skills. Today, most companies are working with large-scale applications and huge amounts of data. Managing everything manually is not practical. So they need automation tools like Python and Terraform to save time and reduce costs. They also use Docker to deploy applications faster and avoid errors. Overall, these skills help companies improve performance, reliability, and productivity. That's why DevOps and cloud professionals are in high demand. Finally, let's talk about career growth and conclusion. DevOps and cloud skills are among the most in demand in today's IT industry. Professionals with these skills often get better salary packages compared to traditional roles. There are also opportunities to work with global companies and advanced technologies. But the key is to start small, practice regularly, and build real-time projects. If you stay consistent, you can build a strong and future-proof career in this field. Thank you.